We're on top of my dad's truck.
Hey, we're gonna
Wait, how the heck do I not get Wi-Fi up here? I'm right next to my house. The other side, really.
You ready? We're gonna go Golden Club. Why?
But I don't know Wi-Fi.
Play safe.
Oh my God! So then you have nothing else to do? I'm not on.
Okay. Simple Cloud. Simple Cloud.
Oh, did you remember in that one video I did the Papa boss fight?
Papa boss fight?
Yeah. And I was like, what the heck?
Okay.
Who says that? This is a real
Simple Cloud, you're good, but you're not simple.
You died.
Speed Racer. Whoa. Wait, this is the demon one? Oh, you got a 4%. What is this? Oh,
Why is that?
Stage of Madness? Ooh, what is this? Boy, are you serious? But I like that level. I like it a lot. And what is dripping? I gotta put my coat on. This is how I put my coat on. Let's go now. I'm decorating now. Let's go play some.
Firewall.
No.
Look up Jimmy Creeper level. See.
No, there's probably no.
I hope this is the top right.
It probably is.
What?
It probably is.
I seen it on YouTube. It had this music.
And it's nothing there. I told you.
Okay.
People will make levels for me, please. Please.
Okay.
I am dark side.
Let's get into a good part.
It is raining.
Is it a good idea to click there? I guess so.
Ow. What?
I want the wings.
Oh no,
Mine has music. I like this
Most
music.
like.
It's good music. I haven't used it. Oh god.
Most like. Who's done it? Beep 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 beep. Bop 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 bop.
Supersonic. Wait, Sonic. Supersonic.
No. I think I broke this.
What?
I think I broke it. There's no, like,
Where's the record it?
no.
There won't be any footage of me beating you.
There It will be.
Wait, the videos are on?
Yeah,
Oh god, you don't know if the video's on.
we do because it's recording.
I might go do some blood. Wow, this has some nice music.
Dude, where's the other one?
What? Move your face cam.
Why?
See if it's under your face cam. I see numbers.
What?
I see numbers under your face cam.
Yeah, recording.
Wow, supersonic. Oh wow, back to this.
Oh, I think I do that.
Or catechism. Uh-oh, that's the problem.
I'm back. Let's go play some auto levels because my phone's being stupid. What was that last? Bird! Bird!
What?
Bird!
Bird!
He didn't know
Bird,
what.
fairy dust. Bird plus fairy dust equals death. My, here, rest in peace headphone users.
Ow. Okay.
Hello.
Dude.
What?
No.
What? Mom's getting here.
I wonder when you're big.
There's a bulletin, mother.
What was that?
What are you playing, Jimmy? GG. Super Luigi. Super. What? Super. Did I say Super Luigi?
Super Luigi. 63.
65.
63 million.
Rest in peace, my headphones
Your headphones?
have died.
Your headphones? Ready, I'm gonna jump off of this thing.
Okay, goodbye.
Jump off this truck. Ready? Ready?
Yeah!
No. Oh no. No, God, no.
Wow, this music just had to start playing when you were falling.
No. I was going back up.
Wait, Jimmy, just stay in that pose and just keep trying to get up. It's just with this music.
No. I'm back. I just like counted.
Wait. No. Oh, look, it's saying like letters in the mirror.
In the mirror? What?
Yeah, there's mirrors in the background of this, and there's letters. And it's saying kill yourself. Because then you have no life. No, it's saying will become the best YouTuber ever and have 1 million subscribers.
No.
That's what it says.
Just 1 million. Okay then.
Let's just hope back. Let's see if we can actually get that. Okay.
Yeah, totally. Yeah,
1 million
I already have
likes.
1 million people watching. Totally.
1,000 likes for this video.
No.
Or another one.
I'm gonna stand up on this truck. I'm gonna stand. Oh. I'm gonna stand it up.
It's like rest in peace, Jimmy.
What?
It's like when you're falling off this music.
Can I stand up? Can I stand up? Joey, dude,
What?
can I stand up on this truck?
Yes.
I can.
If you really want to die, yes.
What do you mean, really? Like that?
Sounds like a cutscene. And why is there eyes in the... What the heck? I'm guessing my song is a copyright because we used it in one of the videos. It was in the background. Hey, look. Look, another dog food. A dog food. is putting hello, Mr. Boss. Oh, hello, Mr. UFO.
Hey,
The wave is like the whole thing.
I like it. Especially when I keep the eye out. Oh my goodness! But I think that's all the time we have for today, and it's ending in the end. No. Nation.